Hello, my name is Danielle Lambert, and I'm the Behavioral Health Manager of the Gregory P. Shadek Behavioral Care Center at Englewood Health. Today I'm going to introduce you to progressive muscle relaxation. The goal of this exercise is to guide you through tensing and relaxing your muscles, including some deep breathing to help you relax and reduce your overall stress. So when you're ready, you can either sit back or lie down in a comfortable position. If you're comfortable, you may close your eyes. We're going to begin by taking a deep breath and noticing the feeling of air filling your lungs. Hold your breath for a few seconds. And release the breath slowly and let the tension leave your body. Take in another deep breath and hold it. And again, slowly release the air. Even slower now, take another deep breath and fill your lungs and hold the air. Slowly release the breath and imagine the feeling of tension leaving your body. Now move your attention to your feet. Begin to tense your feet by curling your toes and the arch of your foot. Hold on to the tension and just notice what it feels like. And release the tension in your foot. Notice that new feeling of relaxation. Next, begin to focus on your lower leg. Tense the muscles in your calves. Hold them tightly and pay attention to that feeling of tension. And release the tension from your lower legs. Again, notice that feeling of relaxation. Remember to continue taking deep breaths. Next, we're going to tense the muscles of your upper leg and pelvis. You can do this by tightly squeezing your thighs together. Make sure you feel tense without going to the point of strain. And release. Feel the tension leave your muscles. Now we're going to begin to tense your stomach and your chest. You can do this by sucking your stomach in. Squeeze and hold that tension. And release. Allow your body to go limp and let yourself notice that feeling of relaxation. You want to continue taking deep breaths, breathing in slowly, noticing the air fill your lungs, and hold it. And release that air slowly. Feel the air leaving your lungs. Next, we're going to tense the muscles in your back by bringing your shoulders together behind you. Hold them tightly. Tense them as hard as you can without straining and holding. And release that tension from your back. Feel the tension slowly leaving your body and that feeling of relaxation. Notice how different your body feels when you just allow it to relax. Now we're going to tense our arms all the way from your hands to your shoulders. Make a fist and squeeze your arm all the way up and hold it. And release. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your fingers, hands, arms, and shoulders, and how your arms feel when they're limp and at ease. Now we're going to move up to our neck and our head. Tense your face and your neck by distorting the muscles around your eyes and mouth. And release. Notice that new feeling of relaxation. Finally, we're going to tense our entire body. So tense your feet, legs, stomach, chest, arms, head, and neck, and tense without straining, and just hold that tension. and release. Allow your whole body to go limp. Pay attention to that feeling of relaxation and how different it is from the feeling of tension. Begin to wake your body up by slowly moving your muscles. Adjust your arms and legs, stretch your muscles, and when you're ready, you may open your eyes.